morning and welcome to Maintenance 5W8 channel, and today's topic for us is about autonomous systems, right? So we all have been hearing about automated system for a long time. In today's topic we're going to discuss in detail about the autonomous systems. Now before we go there, let's look at how the systems have been evolving in the last 15-20 years, right? So in the past you had manual configurations, manual monitoring, manual management, manual scale out. Today we are talking about an era where there is software configures and scales platform by itself, automatically manages platforms, learns and tunes the platforms, predicts and avoids problem, and that's what we're talking about autonomous, right? So let's first differentiate between automation and autonomous, because I think a lot of people who are listening are not very clear about the difference between the two. Let me explain that. First of all, automation is a framework, basically a software framework, right? So what you can automate? We could automate your installation of a software, configuration of a software, patching, upgrade, monitoring. So what you do is you write an algorithm which can really help you to automate a task which has been done in the past by a DBA or a developer, right? And you give an API kind of interface. Let's give an example. If you want to really get an instance of database 12c of Oracle, you would actually go and specify some declarative parameter through an API, and it just generates you a database which is an automated database, and then start working on it, right? So automation is a software framework. What is autonomous? Autonomous is a platform with using an API and machine learning framework. What do you do with that? Let's take some use cases. You can do predictive cyber attack prevention of the systems. System is already automated, but on the top of it, you're telling it can do predictive cyber attack. Okay, it can do self-tuning, right? It can do something like error corrections, health framework, predictive maintenance. So all these are some of the examples of how an autonomous system should work like. And it can also be very service specific. An autonomous framework can be based on the systems, based on security, based on analytics, based on mobile. So you can actually have one systems in which you can actually want to apply your autonomous systems, right? Now, automated systems can be customer managed, right? Customer must decide when and why to push the buttons. Like for example, provision, secure, scale. It could be patch, backup, failover. You can decide when and why to push buttons. Customer is on the hook if something goes wrong. He clicks it, and if something goes wrong, then it's a problem, right? So, foundationally, what an autonomous system does is it's a self-driving, self-securing, self-repairing. Very interesting set of three words. What is self-driving? Lower cost and increased productivity. What does it do? It eliminates human labor to provision, secure, monitor, backup, recover, troubleshoot and tune, right? It automatically upgrades and patches. That's self-driving, right? And that's a foundational autonomous capability. Self-securing is lower risk, protection from external attack. It knows what to do for it. Automatically encryption of data at certain point of time. Automatically eliminating administrator errors, right? These are some examples of higher availability, lower risk by using foundational, right? And you could actually work on the autonomous capability at the stack level. So for example, your organization can be using for data management. You could use autonomous capability for development, mobile and bots, data integration, could be for analytics, it could be for security. You can actually build. So let's take an example of if you're looking at analytics as a way where you want to build autonomous systems. You can do automated data discovery, okay, and preparation. You can do automated analysis for key finding along with your visualizations and narrations. You could do proactive and personalized insights. These are some of examples where you can use it for analytics, right? So it's very important when will you propose this autonomous systems, right? So it's only will be looked at when you can see that systems have to be controlled at the system level, right? A lot of these products, what you get out of these automated and autonomous systems will know by itself what to do. You need to decide based on the customer scenario and the business case. So just to summarize, these two A's of technology, which is automation and autonomous, really going to change the future. And Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting video on this topic. Thanks for watching.